We're gonna get in trouble, I think.
Yeah, we are. CDC's
gonna be like, you can't do that.
Stop doing that, please.
It's some enjoyment hanging out with our family, because I will be trying to just have my family, since we'll all be here, all week long in videos, so you guys. I've never had such a hard time trying to film a intro photo.
That's okay.
What are you doing?
I'm protecting the box.
You're gonna show our address.
The Corona box. Wait, our address.
It's on the box.
It's on the back. That's against my chest. Protected. Keeping our family safe.
Welcome to Corona Box Week, Day 2. Whoop whoop! Coronavirus Box Week! We're gonna get in trouble, I think.
Yeah, we are. CDC's
gonna be like, you can't do that.
Stop doing that, please. You're gonna incite panic.
I'm not trying to, but it's funny. Okay, so it's Day 2 of March 2020 Box Week, and everybody, at least in Wisconsin, is under lockdown. They've canceled school. They've canceled the gym. So we're doing Box Week.
Oh, they canceled the library too.
They canceled the library. They canceled church. Everything's canceled. Everything's canceled.
Except work.
Except for work. So there's nothing to do, but you gotta work. So, anyway, so we're calling it March 2020 / the Corona Box Week. And I guess Josh already told you we're opening Boxy Charm.
Now let's act like it's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. We're opening a box. We don't know which one. So if you're joining me for the first time ever and you're like, wow, I want to be a part of this, there's going to be a new video every day for 7 days. And as I said in last night's video, you ain't got nothing better to do. A lot of times you do, but this week you got nothing better to do because there's nothing you can do. We have toilet paper, by the way. We feel like
72.
Don't tell people how many rolls. People are going to show up at our house.
No, they're not.
They're going to loot us. We're going to get looted.
Address. It's on the back of the box.
We're going to get looted. We're going to get looted because just show them our address on YouTube.
No.
We're going to get looted.
We're not going to get looted.
We are.
I'm not showing anybody the address. I'm keeping
it don't be bragging. Don't be bragging about how many toilet paper rolls we got.
Well, you made it a big deal that we had 72. I thought it was an important detail.
Welcome to our marriage.
I'm just being a
Also, just so you guys know, this is actually special because this is the day that a year ago we got engaged.
It's true.
We're already married though, so it's like not as exciting, I guess.
I mean, for her it's really exciting. For me,
I'm excited. It's our engagement day.
It is indeed.
Aww. Anyway, so we are going to be opening up Boxy Charm tonight. This box is huge this month. I don't know what's in here, but I'm actually like real excited. Like I am excited to open it because this is the biggest Boxy Charm box I've ever received. It is $25 per month. If you are watching this and you want to check out this box for yourself, I have a referral code down below in the description box, so check it out. And where's Mr. John Wayne? Where is he?
I wasn't so
John Wayne's back. Oh, oh! Also, we're going to be starting a brand new stockpile giveaway. We already have picked so the biggest one we did was last month. I picked a winner, already been claimed. So I know you guys always ask, you're like, oh, is somebody win? Somebody did win. They already picked them. They already claimed it. And I posted on my Instagram and Snapchat stories, the winner and all that. So if you missed it, it was on there. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get into this box. I'm really excited.
Ready to cut straight into my bloodline. Okay, before you open it, I'm going to make a prediction about why it's so big.
What?
The box. The reason the box is so big is that Boxy Charm knew what was coming, and they sent us a hazmat suit. Okay, open it. Let's see if I'm right.
Okay. All right. So,
hey, would you look at that?
No. So right on the side here, we have a mini ceramic curling iron. Oh, a curling iron! This is exciting. Don't you dare! Don't you dare ruin the surprise. You were gonna ruin the surprise?
No, I wasn't gonna pick it up.
You're gonna ruin the surprise? You're just gonna be like, let me open your box for you. We got a mini curling iron. This is so cute. If you keep looking, this is why you don't get to be in these videos. This is really it. You can't try. Look at this.
I'm not telling you anything, so it's so surprise.
How cute this is.
It's really good for burning your enemies.
I love it. Just roll it up. You know, we're like working your hair.
No, I don't have enough hair.
Just curl you up.
But you could severely burn my forehead. Or my eyes.
Keep it up.
Yeah.
Keep it up. Alright, so we got a curling iron. I think that's cool. From the brand Sutra. Next we have Hair Gurt.
It's like yogurt, but for your
Almond Honey Intense Hair Yogurt. hair mask with prebiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair. Sulfate and paraben free. Damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Now let's do this. I'm excited. I have... What?
Anyway, I was gonna say that I was laughing there because I was literally about to say are there probiotics in it? Because it's yogurt.
They can't hear you when you talk that quiet, dude.
I'm sure they can. Just turn the volume up.
That doesn't make any sense. Happy engagement day, by the way.
I love you.
Love you. Just, we really do love each other, even though we give each other a hard time. This is part of the benefit of being married to your best friend. You got that, like, inner, like...
And I only get on here so often, so it's like, I've got to act out, because this is the only stage time I'm ever going to get in my career. Until
as the next Jim Carrey.
Become recognized as the next Jim Carrey.
It's not going to happen. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, can't. No, well, I didn't know if I was going to keep it or not.
Oh, okay, I won't know.
We'll leave it on there. I need to read more about it. Because, so I have been doing a lot of different hair masks lately. You know, okay, well, we'll keep it.
Honey, you're allergic to almonds, so that's a no.
I can use almonds on my skin. I use, like, almond body butters. I can't eat almonds.
It's almond and honey.
So that I can use it maybe in the girl's hair. And your hair.
I wonder if it's edible. Since it is
made
of
try it?
almonds and
You want to try it right now?
No, it's probably says
Eat some.
don't inject.
Eat some.
Here,
Take the wrapper off.
Yeah, let me help you with
Can you
this.
take the
First of all, I
wrapper
gotta
off,
see if it's edible.
Can you take it? Yeah, see, there's no bad stuff in it. Try it.
It literally has no.
Can you just open it so we can smell it?
Soy amino acids.
Can you pull it open?
What did you do to this?
Can you not make me... How could you smell it first? You are the monster
I
tonight.
gotta open it first.
It's an intense scent. That's a lot. That is a
I
lot.
like it.
That's a lot.
I like
I don't know how I
it.
feel about that. That is a lot of smell. But I'm going to try it, at least on the kids, see how they like it. Next we have Metal Crush Kat Von D Liquid Highlighter. Oh, okay.
Metal
All right.
Crush.
Metal Crush. So it's going to be a metallic liquid highlighter. I don't want to wreck the box.
Here.
I don't want to wreck the box.
Okay.
Can you get it open for
You
me?
have prettier nails than I do.
That's an understatement.
Accurate.
Accurately.
But it just said that.
True. Okay, hold on. We're not going to open it. So this is a liquid highlighter. Metal Crush. I want to see, like, I feel like, can you Google this? See, like, what it looks like? Oh, wait, you don't have your phone. Liquid highlighter. Jeez Louise. All right. We're going to wait to see. I want to see what else is in the box first before we try to, like, sample everything and see what's going on. Here, you take this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a big palette.
There we go.
It says Hello Charmer.
There we go.
Hello.
There we go.
Hello Charmer, Boxy Charm.
Let's see.
And, oh! Look at this.
I saw that. I knew that was going to be your color. Are you going to show them?
This is so pretty, you guys. Okay, so we got a full-size eyeshadow palette. Okay, I can't get the thing
I was going to
out
say
there.
take the glare.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, really cool looking.
It's really pretty.
I like the colors.
The thing is, I don't know if I'd wear a lot of these colors. So there's this one here called Swipe Up, which I'm like, I know
I could
I'd
just
wear
turn
that.
my car like this color.
Luxe. So there's Luxe.
It's literally
This
cool.
one, though, right here, this Swipe Up color, looks insane. Like, that looks like so pretty. Like, I feel like just for that shadow alone, I want to keep this.
I think the unboxing would look really cute on you.
Yeah.
And sneak peek too.
Well, and if I did like a smoky look with this full size here and Cup of Joe, I will say
You
here.
could do some stuff with
So
this.
here, well, okay. So I can't. What I will say is this is really good. Like these Boxy Premium Spoiler Cup of Joe, these base shades, I can work a lot with to build a look. And that, why are you looking at me like that?
Because I think you look really pretty in all these shades.
Okay, fine. I'll keep it.
She has to keep it. I want her to keep it.
You guys.
Nice.
So Josh can't be in any more unboxing videos because nothing's gonna get put in the stock file giveaway. That's what we just.
I'm not a
learned today.
hoarder.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. And you know what? We can swatch them on your arm too if you're okay with that, so people can see what it looks like on fair skin. Oh my god, these are creamy. Okay, hold on. I gotta swatch it on me. Then I'm gonna swatch it on you. It's not even gonna show up. This one's so white. Oh, it is showing up. Okay, so there's.
Can't see.
Can't see. That's like the white one though. I picked like the whitest one. We'll try some of the colors. This is Charmer.
I mean, I thought my arm was just going to be the guinea pig here.
Well, they can see it on 2 skin tones now.
Oh.
Because you know we're different skin tones. That'd be good
What?
for state patties. You didn't know that?
I thought we were the same skin tone.
Turn it. Turn your arm. Turn your arm. Charmer. What's that one?
Okay,
We'll
so we're going
do
to start using my left arm because it's easier for me to rotate so you
full
guys can see.
size. Oh, that's pretty.
But you're going to have to do it a little
Oh,
further
that's
up on my arm.
pretty. But this is really iridescent. So this is a lot lighter. So on the finger, It comes up like metallic, but it's actually like a lot lighter than I thought. It's got a lot of like black in it too. See, that's pretty. All right, and then we're gonna do swipe up. Oh, this is like an actual like glitter. Oh, this is exciting. So swipe up is not gonna pick up really because it's like a light pink glitter. So I'll just show you on my finger what it looks like.
I had it on my wrist. Here, just put it on top of my hand.
This doesn't even make sense anymore. You're like, just put it everywhere. You're gonna like walk out look like you've been battle scarred. So that's swipe up. See, I told you it's not gonna show up big because it's actual like loose glitter. That's really, really pretty. I think this is a really, really nice palette. I'm trying to wipe my hands off so I can swipe a couple more.
I thought you were using me as a guinea pig here, babe.
I'm using me too. I have to use both of us. We
Oh,
have to see what it looks like. Huh?
It's skin tone differences.
Yes. Okay.
Ooh.
So that's pop up like goes, ooh. How do you know you're married? It's when you.
I don't know if you can see that, guys.
Well, anyways, I feel like this is pretty. I mean, I like these. I think this is a really good palette for mixing stuff. What are you doing?
I'm using the...
I'm trying a couple more.
I keep trying not to wipe this stuff on
Here,
the bed
let me do this one on you.
Accidentally.
Do that one on you. That's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color. Look at that one. That's the unboxing. That noise is an awful noise to
I
listen
know, it's
to.
a terrible noise.
That's a rough noise. That's an uncomfortable noise.
Yeah, I'm uncomfortable too.
Okay, great. Ooh, this is really pretty. This would make a really like sexy, smoky colored eye. Look at that one. It's like a sultry, like brown.
Sultry.
I like it.
Yeah.
So this palette, I'm actually really impressed. I like it. Way to go, BoxyCharm. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here. Whoop, won't go in there. There we go. And then finally we have this lip gloss, but it doesn't have like a brand on. Oh wait, there it is.
I'm not gonna help you with the lip gloss.
Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. Can you open this for me? And then I want to try it on.
Trying to
Can you open it? There's plastic.
Liebskind.
Can you just open it? Why are you? No, there's sticker on it. That's why.
There's no sticker on it.
Yes, honey.
I know there's a sticker on it. Okay.
It's tough. That was tough to experience. Liquid highlighter.
Oh, there we go. See, I told you there was a sticker on here.
Liquid highlighter. Kind of want to know what this looks like. Oh wow. So this is what the liquid highlighter looks like. This is really weird. Alright, we're going to try this too. Because I was like, I need to know what they're doing. Like, what's their plan with this? Okay, hold on. Let me wipe off my lipstick. Off camera. Can they see me? On camera?
No, I mean, they can see your hair. I mean, just wipe it off on camera.
I got it.
They already know what you're doing.
Nope. I didn't want to look gross.
Why would it look gross?
So I don't like the applicator for this. At all.
Yeah?
And it's not that I don't like the color, but I'll be honest with you, I never like brush tips like this. So this is like literally like a little paintbrush. These are like really hard to get on a good application. Either they stick together or it's just like it barely gets on and then you have to just like try and like slap it all over your lips. So it feels smooth though. I like the color, it's pretty. But I don't know. And I'm trying to open up the Kat Von D highlighter. I was like, I decided I'm just going to open it up and see what it looks like. So far, I mean, I think this box is good. I like it. If I could get this to come out here. So to recap, we got the hair girt.
The applicator.
We got the Intense Hair Mask Hair Girt from Yogurt Beauty. I'm actually going to put this in the stockpile giveaway. Like, I know we took off the safety seal, but I think it'll be okay. Because I don't really love the smell of this. It's not that it's a bad smell, but it's just a smell that I personally don't prefer for my hair. Does that make sense?
Yes. Also, what?
It's a highlighter.
How's it
I'm gonna
supposed
try
to
it.
highlight?
We got a lip gloss. And then you know what? I think I'm going to put this hair curler into the stockpile giveaway too. Because I actually just got this new set of hair rollers that I've been using pretty religiously. And so I don't really need this, even though I think it's cute. I'm not going to really use it much, and that would just be me hoarding something. We got the really nice eyeshadow palette from BoxyCharm, which I'm guessing is just like their actual brand. Stop twisting it. You're going to make it all squirt out like crazy. And if you say something...
That's fill in the blank for you guys.
Okay. Anyway, so this is the palette. It's got a lot of nice neutral shades. I'm actually a little bit surprised that they didn't do more of a pastel palette and did so many earth tones when we're going right into spring. That's the only thing I'm a little surprised about, but I do like it. I feel like it's versatile. And then we got the Kat Von D highlighter pen that we cannot seem to get to give us any highlighter at all. Not at all. So I'm still waiting. You're gonna get this, then it's gonna pop out and be all over your clothes. That's what's gonna happen. I'm still gonna keep twisting this over and over again. So side note, if you're in the Just Like Drew crew and you're like a regular Just Like Drew fam and you're like in the Instagram crew and everything else, I want you guys to know something really exciting happened this week, which I'll probably post a video about sometime next week, kind of giving an update on my weight loss journey. But I got featured in Women's Health magazine, online version. So like their online community, they did a story on me. It's a big deal, but it's Box Week, so I like gotta stick to the plan. But I just wanted to tell you guys.
I'm really proud of her.
I'll post a link of it in the description box.
Awesome.
I'm so excited.
Like, yeah, it's crazy.
Okay, anyways, so this is not gonna ever work. I feel like it's gonna work now.
Google it.
Oh, there it comes, there it comes. Don't be that guy.
I had to restrain myself.
So this is like a highlighter. That's, oh.
Oh.
I don't love it. I'll be honest. I mean, maybe I need to play with it on, but like, first of all, it doesn't really show up much on camera, which highlighter I know is hard to show on camera, but the way that it applied was really weird. Like, so it put it on there and then it just like splatted out to like a really like heavy, like gold color. What? Okay, so we're putting this in the stockpile giveaway, and as it falls out, and the hair girt. I know I took out the protective seal, but I think it'll be okay, guys. So that's all we have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I know there's like lip gloss all over my hand. At Just Like Drew down below. This video is a train wreck. This whole box week's a train wreck.
Not as bad as the first video where I just burned it down to the ground with a gallon of gasoline.
That's true. So if you like this video and want to see more from me, I don't know what I'm supposed to say. You should follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. It's Just Like Drew, spelled the same way as down below this video. You should subscribe. Anything you want to say? Because last time you had something to say after I was trying to say goodbye to everybody.
I've got no snappy one-liners for this one.
By the way, Josh has been liking my new hair routine, so I think I'll post a video telling you about my new hair care routine. He also likes the way that I smell.
Oh, so good.
So good. Anyways, we love you guys. Hope you guys are hanging in there. For real though, I know we were kind of joking around it being like Corona Box Week. I hope you guys are actually hanging in there. I know that it's been really scary for a lot of people and like really stressful. So I hope that this week you guys can just get some enjoyment hanging out with our family, because I will be trying to just have my family, since we'll all be here all week long in videos, so you guys can hang out with us, have a good time, chill, get your mind off of all of the scary news stuff happening. Yeah.
Just fun fact, just don't listen to the news. Just
listen to some things. Some things are important, some things not important.
Just read the CDC and that's all you gotta worry about. The rest of it, don't scare yourself.
Okay. I forgot how to end this video.
Goodbye.
You know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you in tomorrow's video for day 3 of Box Week, where I talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Oh my gosh. You ready now?
Yes.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and Josh.
Hi.
And today